peanut butter, honey, sandwich made. What's going on, Foobie? It's Fangs, and I'm here in my kitchen, making myself a PB and honey. I like peanut butter and honey. We got the Dirtle Cat down here, and in the room, as always, we've got Doobie, who just doesn't leave this dark, dreary room. He's actually, I'm locking him in here, he's condemned. He's condemned. Stay in there forever. Today, it's Thursday, feeling a little bit better. Still feel kind of like crap, but a little bit better. I think I'm gonna do CrossFit today. I imagine I'm gonna do CrossFit today. We're gonna try to play that speak out game. We're gonna open the like 5 or 6 letters I have for the P.O. box opening. Then I don't know what we're gonna do past that. Friday, what is that, tomorrow Friday? We gotta figure out something to do. You guys you need to let us know what we need to do. I'm always making freaking FIFA videos, which makes it hard to get a whole lot done. Got my new West Ham kit on, by the way. Just made one with Nepenthes. It was a Soccer Manager Arena video. Need to make a squad builder for tomorrow. And then Saturday, I'm gonna do the chocolate milk in those Oreos. You got to see the whole review on those Oreos. They're over here. I'm gonna do a chocolate milk bath with these Oreos in there, just popping like it's hot. Today should be amazing. Hopefully your day has been amazing. If you guys are enjoying the vlogs, don't forget, we're really close to 50K. Subscribe, hit the subscription button, turn the notification symbol on because you're probably not getting these videos if you don't do that, and hit that thumbs up button. We need to start getting more likes on these. If we're gonna get these out to the world, Foobie, we have to get more likes. So, I don't know, like 300 likes would be awesome. Do it. Do it.
This annoying creature keeps bugging me while I'm trying to figure out our video.
I'm back in the dungeon.
You're back in the dungeon? I thought I was locked in here by myself forever. I don't know what is wrong with you today, but you're like delirious or something.
I had a Red Bull!
And
okay.
It looks like you're feeling better too, which is good.
Yeah. Now that means I gotta go to CrossFit.
What kind of face is that?
My CrossFit face.
You didn't want any of those classic Lay's potato chips in there?
I might have some right now. Have to see what
They're beautiful with the PB&J.
Are they really?
They're the perfect combo.
Really?
Oh, they're so good.
Really?
Really.
What? Wait, classic Lay's, like the ones that aren't hot?
Yeah, just like regular Lay's.
Really?
What is wrong with you today? Oh my god. I'm dealing with the crazy person.
I can't breathe out of my nose still, so.
I feel like I'm taking crazy pills. Alright, Jesse's streaming. I need to do something today. I haven't done anything today. Just been chilling. Like, got no excuse. So, today's quest is very easy. We're gonna do 2 things. We are going to order. How do I figure out what freaking model of, I don't even know what my refrigerator is. Does it say down here? The DA68? Does it say? Does it say? What the water filter? What's the water filter? What does that mean? I don't even know what this is, man. Oh, wow, this is really close. Hey guys. Hey guys, I'm really close. So we are gonna also hang the outside white lights instead of our colorful colored lights. R.I.P. colored light. Well, I was going to do the lights today, and I still plan on it. Here they are, laying out, just trying to lay them out before I put them up, and they're too long or something like that. But Jesse wants me to play squads with PUBG, so I'm gonna be doing that here in a second. If I can find my glasses, of course, which I don't know where they are. But hey, we'll figure that out.
Dude, it took me forever.
Every minute on the minute, 7, clean and jerk. Double unders. This will be interesting. This is a very confusing workout.
Starting over again.
Jesse, how many rounds are you gonna get? 4.
10.
15 she's gonna get.
15.
15? Wow.
I've had the whole week off. I should be fine, right?
You've had like 2 weeks off, really.
I've had like a month off if you think about it. vlog. Today, we're gonna open, I have not shouted out my P.O. box on my channel in a while, but I'm still getting some stuff here and there. So I wanted to open it on this channel, and if you guys wanna start sending us stuff for Foobie in the P.O. box, we wouldn't mind opening it in some of our vlogs whenever we get it. We'll just do it whenever we get it kind of thing, right? Whenever we get it. So we're gonna start with the first one, and it's coming in hot from, I wanna show this person's address. Somewhere in England, it looks like.
Oh, yeah, sure.
It says international standards, and it's got the Queen on it. So I think it's from England.
The Queen.
And it's gonna start off with a little package here that looks like a little baby thing for whenever we ever do get pregnant. This was probably for when we were,
What
but
does it say?
I don't know. When I grow up, I wanna,
West
I wanna
Ham.
play for West Ham United. We already have an Arsenal one.
Do we?
So this one's the best. Yeah, you don't remember we got the Arsenal one and my other P.O. box opening?
Oh yeah.
So this one, it's West Ham United. This is super
perfect.
freaking cute. Thank you so much. I love it.
What if it's a girl though?
She'll play for Lady West Ham United.
Oh, Lady
West Ham United. Super cute. So we're gonna continue on trying to get pregnant. Actually, let's go. We should actually go practice right now. Oh. What else is in here? Let's see. We got a bunch of cards. My God.
Good Lord, man.
Neuer. There's like a whole stack of them. Why are you giving me all your cards? Don't you need these?
Yeah, don't you want these?
Let's see what this letter says. Oh, there's something on it. It's a long letter. It's got like someone's, oh, it's a dog. Look at that cute puppy.
Aww.
I don't know if it has an address on it. Let's see if I should show this. Yeah, it does have an address. So am I gonna do it? Oh, it's from Ireland. It says the return address, Reese Wallace or Class Kids. Oh, it's Class Kids. If your baby doesn't fit, it still will fit squirrel. It could actually fit squirrel. And he puts he's from Northern Ireland. He'd like a shirt, so I might send him a Foobie shirt or a Fang shirt. I don't know, he actually might say what he wants on here. His birthday's in September, so we'll try to get that to you. He says, I'm writing to you again because I don't know if you got the little box inside the package I sent you in last month. The doctor said my ankle is broken, and if you want to play football ever again, you must rest the ankle. I said this is the last letter I'm doing on my own P.O. box, inspired by you and Miniminter. Don't worry, it isn't my home address. I'm sending you some cards for you and Doobie. I hope you enjoy. Fangs to see which team your baby will support. You and Doobie should wear a West Ham United top, and Doobie should wear an Arsenal top. I got my West Ham top on.
I don't have an Arsenal top. Oh yeah, do I?
Then put a board at the side saying other, but your baby is in the middle, and see which one he or she goes to. I can't find a gift for him anywhere online. You do send me a piece of paper saying happy birthday. Aww. I might send you, it might be a note with the shirt if I send a shirt for my site. It's gonna be a note with a shirt saying happy birthday. Thank you so much for all this, Class Kids. We appreciate you, the love and support.
Thank you.
And we know that my kid's gonna like West Ham, so we don't even have to, we don't even have to answer that question because we know. It's gonna like West Ham.
Sure it will.
This is coming in, it's for Foobie.
That's definitely from
England, it looks like. It's got a bunch of
all kinds of stamps.
Different stamps going on right there. And it's going to be a cake chain that says keep calm and support Plymouth Argyle. That's a cute one. From, it says Wednesdaybury, UK. You need a keychain.
Born gifts.
Born gifts.
Nice.
And there's nothing in there besides that, unless I'm missing it. I don't know if I am, but that's all that we could see in there.
Oh,
so thank you very much for that.
Cool. Very
Appreciate it, whoever sent that. That could be the other gift that he sent. Remember he said he sent two? This one's coming in straight from Hoffman Estates, Illinois. All right. It's a letter to Fangs. Good old Fangs, which is me. Hey, you're not allowed to get up here. This is our area. This is our area, Dirty.
Dirty, get down.
Get down.
Dirty, get down now.
Dirty, get down. See, I got that. That's a deeper voice. She doesn't like that when I do that. Okay. This is the letter. Are you ready for me to read this? Dear Jessie.
Turtle.
She's so crazy. Dear Jessie, I have been a fan for a really long time, ever since the Belgian Waffle Squad. Wow, that is a long time. I live in Illinois, but I used to live in Texas as well. I just want to say that you should keep doing what you're doing and making people smile. I'm in 8th grade and we have to write a letter to our favorite celebrity, but I asked if I could write it to you instead, and luckily my teacher said okay. How nice! I don't know if you will get this before or after you go to the Sidemen, but if you get it before, could you have them all sign one of your hoodies or shirts and send it to me? I miss JJ because he doesn't upload anymore. Or have them send me a shirt of their merch. I really love the Journey to Messy videos. I stopped that one, I'm sorry. That new B.O.B. jersey. Wait, what? Oh, BVB jersey. I will be sending a box for next month's P.O. box opening. I also want to say that you are really nice and make me laugh when I watch your videos. There's nothing better than grabbing a box of chips and watching your latest BOG of, wait, no, that's the bag of chips. Watch your latest upload. Love you and keep making such great videos like you always. From, is it Giuliano? Ginliano? I don't know if I can read that. I'm sorry if I'm, what does that look like?
Giuliano.
Giuliano.
Right?
P.S. I'm sorry if I didn't spell your name right.
Maybe?
It's J-E-S-S-E, so you did spell right. Yeah, it might
Perfect.
be Giuliano.
Perfect.
Thank you for that. I appreciate
That
it.
is amazing.
And obviously this
later.
is way late after that, but we are seeing the Sidemen again in September, so maybe we'll put that
This is an upload.
Put that in the sink tank of things that we can do. Okay, we have more. Don't worry, Doobie, we have more.
All right. So when you say we, you mean you. Because these are all addressed to you.
This is from Ireland. Oh,
Ireland.
Shit, did I rip it? Did I just rip the part of it?
That's why you don't open it like that.
Wow, Jesse! It's only just a little half, so we'll be fine. We'll be fine. I'm sorry.
Why don't you just open it like a normal person?
Because it's just easy to open it that way. This one's sticky. Oh gosh. It's sticky because it had M&Ms in it.
Oh no.
Those are some old M&Ms right now. Thank you for that.
Oh God.
What else was in there? Some sour candies.
Oh,
Oh, this did not go well. This did not go well. Let's see if we can open around it. Whew. Oh God.
Oh God.
Oh, I'm just messing it up even more. Come on. Let's go. There's a note and a bunch of atomic candies that somehow
did not make it.
Did not make it in the mail. Sorry. It says, hey Fangs, you're my favorite YouTuber. I love your videos. My name is David. I am 9 years old? It might say 9 or 4. I don't know. I think 9. From Ireland.
4.
And the candies, could you send me a shirt? They are the best. My address is this. Okay, I'll put that on there. Sorry that we just now got the candies and it's nasty. It's everywhere.
Put it on the table.
I'm gonna put it right here on the side. It's fine. It's fine. It melted before I guess I even got it because it's not been anywhere it could melt in here. I don't know how that would happen. This is coming in from, it does not say. We have.
Ooh, ABBA.
ABBA? What is ABBA? What is this? It says songs include Gimme Gimme Gimme, Dancing Queen. Is this a playlist?
That's
Swedish Music Hall of Fame.
That's an old record.
So this is the songs. I guess am I supposed to download that? I don't know. And this says ABBA as well. Dear Fangs, I want you to listen to ABBA songs. I like to see that you're singing and dancing to their songs. We send you an album so you can pick any songs what you like. ABBA is great pop crew from Stockholm. We wish you and thank you for the music. From, it says Spencer, I think, from Toronto? Or Spence from Toronto, that's what it looks like.
Is it? Oh wow.
ABBA, okay.
ABBA, all right.
ABBA it is.
Did you know the lead singer of ABBA is the lady that was in Greece?
I did not know that.
I think that's right. Maybe I'm crazy.
I did not know that. This one's coming in from England, I think. Yeah,
That's
UK.
my city.
Lewis Page.
That's my city.
England's Will City. I'm gonna let you read this one.
No, I don't know how to read.
You don't know how to read?
I'm dyslexic.
All right, we'll go from the top.
Don't put me on the spot like that.
Uh-oh, we have a foot bath challenge, Oreos and milk.
What?
I'm doing that tonight. How did he know? Thanks. Oh, that's a really cool logo.
Challenge. All right,
He's
look at
shouting out
that.
my
He's got a Foobie logo on there too.
That's a nice logo.
Yeah, I like that.
Let me see the front.
All right, go for it.
It says, hi, I'm Lewis. Don't mind whether you read this on or off camera. I couldn't buy anything because it's too expensive to post, sorry. I live in the outside of London. I'm 12 years old. I love your channel, especially the boot videos. Foobie is really cool. You're one of my favorite YouTubers as well as the Sidemen. I hope you carry on smiling for years to come and hope you get some good players in FIFA. My Insta is LXUIS. If you could follow me, that would be awesome. Also, my friend has an awesome channel which deserves a lot more credit than it gets. If you could shout it out, Morgan the Kid, I'm sure she'd be grateful. I am asking for a lot, but if you send it, it's Lena. Oh, you guys need the address in case we want to send something. Thank you so much for that.
That is awesome.
We appreciate it. And it's Morgan the Kid, I guess,
yeah.
is the channel.
Morgan the Kid.
All right. So we're
Everybody
here
check it out.
as well today, and we want to do something fun. We're gonna do a couple of rounds.
Speak it out.
Of speak it out. We're gonna have some time.
I have no idea how this works.
Okay, so we have these little things here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna have a certain amount of time. You put this in your mouth and you have a certain amount, let me start this over here.
As much time as in this hourglass?
And you're gonna have something to say from these cards. And with that, you're gonna try to guess what the other person's saying. I'm sure this is supposed to be a group and like you have a partner and you're gonna guess what they're saying. But since we don't have that, we're just gonna try to guess what each other is saying.
Okay.
And that's how it's gonna work for us. So I'm gonna move these over to the right. And you just read it, so I can't even do that.
Oh, am I not supposed to read that? I thought you were gonna do the other side.
I'm gonna be the first and you're gonna be the first to guess. So I think you kinda like grasp the curved handle as a mouthpiece with your both hands. Let me look at this. Okay. I gotta.
Oh God. How do you, oh my God. It's the biggest mouth I've ever seen. Oh my God.
Yeah, put one in here now. Guys, do I look hot or do I look hot? You doing it right? Are you doing it right? Yeah, you doing it right.
It hurts my lips.
Ah! Okay, I'm gonna read them off of you, okay? This does actually kind of hurt. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Bloody like a fuddy-duddy.
Bloody what a fuddy-duddy?
Bloody like a fuddy-duddy. Like, bloody. That's really hard.
Lovey? What a fuddy-duddy.
Bloody.
Bloody fuddy-duddy.
Bloody.
Bloody fuzzy.
No. Bloody like a fuddy-duddy.
Bloody what a fuddy-duddy.
Bloody like a fuddy-duddy.
Bloody what a fuddy-duddy?
Bloody.
Yeah, because that sounds like something.
With the V.
Buddy?
With the V.
With the D?
No.
V.
No, V. Like love.
You're saying V.
Like love. Like love.
Like what?
Like there. It's impossible, okay?
What? Like
Buddy, what a funny buddy, but you can't say buddy, it won't let you, it's too hard.
Like with the Y.
God dang it.
Oh,
okay, find
my
a card in there,
God.
we'll try it with you. That's hard. Buddy.
Oh my God.
That's really hard.
Ow.
Okay, pick any card. I've probably seen, no, I haven't seen that one. Yeah, pick the back.
Yeah, this side?
Yeah, okay, go.
Quirky questions becoming confusing.
Quirky questions becoming confusing?
Yep.
Wow, how'd you get it so easily?
I don't know, I can just do it.
Jesus, okay, well, we'll just start this back again then. All right.
So does that mean you get a point? Does that mean I get a point?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, who gets a person? No, I get a point because I could guess. I don't know, because
whatever.
It doesn't matter, I'm just trying this. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Peter took a vampire to prom.
Peter took a vampire to prom.
Yeah!
Yeah!
That's easy, I think, on this side. I think the red side's harder.
Okay, let's do red side then.
Okay.
I think you're right.
I'm just gonna key on in. Actually, no, because I don't want to talk to you.
Okay, so we'll only do red?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, here, you take half these reds so I can't see them.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Never let neighbors eat hot wieners.
Never let neighbors eat hot wieners.
Oh my God, you nailed it.
That one was just, I think, you just can't do B's in this thing. Try doing a B, say Bob.
Wow.
You see?
Yeah, these are hard.
Okay.
Alrighty, ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go.
Rabbit bunnies running rampant. Rabid bunnies.
Rabid bunnies.
Running rampant.
Running rampant.
Yeah!
Yeah! I don't know, it's...
Just go, screw the time.
Okay, screw the time.
Yeah.
Bells for Mr. North.
What?
Bells for Mr. North.
Bells for Mr. North?
Ah!
Perfect!
Perfect!
Okay. And your yourself.
Believe
in your yourself.
In your inner self.
Hata. Hata.
Hata. Hata. Hata. Hata.
Hata. Like God. Better. Believe in your better self.
Believe in your better self.
Yeah, so hard to say B's like that. I can't even.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
This is turn. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Minute porridge begins breakfast.
In the morning there's breakfast?
Minute porridge begins breakfast.
Minute porridge begins breakfast?
How did you get that?
Did I get it right?
Yeah.
Yes!
How did you get that?
I just understand some things because I can barely talk myself.
I just want to do something for fun.
Okay.
The farmer quickly picked vegetables.
The farmer quickly picks vegetables?
Oh my god. Watch wacky friends play. Wait, watch wacky friends play.
Watch wacky friends play?
Oh my god. Ponder life's mysteries.
Ponder life's mysteries?
Rolling raspberries on the belly.
Rolling raspberries on the willy?
Rolling raspberries on the belly.
Rolling raspberries on the valley.
Blowing.
Rowing raspberries on the valley.
Blowing.
Blowing
Raspberries on the belly.
raspberries on the valley.
On a belly.
On a valley.
Okay? Look at this dude. That's crazy. It's a hammock with a shade and a cup holder. Jesse, the cart is lava.
Wait, the cart!
Backwards.
Bath time, chocolate milk, the Oreos. Here we go. Put them in the back of the dirty Jeep. It's got too much stuff back there. We gotta clean this out.
What?
They're still popping.
Oh my god.
so weird?
That looks awful.
Oh god!
You look like some weird clown.
I am a clown. My makeup's probably everywhere. Oh, it's
I'm sure that made it better.
It did bring it better. It did it all.
So this is the Oreo bath. This is the chaos.
You guys can't see the Oreos.
All these Oreos. All
Look,
this
they're in my
milk.
hands.
Oh god. You're making it worse. It's gonna be harder to clean up. And look at that. We're clean again. We're clean.
Clean.
Look at that hair.
Clean.
Amazing. Now I need to take a shower after that workout today. Oh god. What time is it right now? 2. You going to bed?
Yeah.
Are you gonna stay right there? Look at me. You have horns.
I what?
You have horns.
Oh my god.
Okay, you gonna say goodnight?
Good night, Foobie.
Good night, Foobie. We're going to bed.
We're going to sleep.
Bye-bye.